All right, my Finersi died. I was doing some troubleshooting. Well, yeah, I was troubleshooting. I was trying to see if I could do something. And anyway, let me plug it in here. Put a power cord on it, turn it on. And it does nothing at all. Nothing. Now, when it started to die, it like did weird flashy things, and I don't know, voltages ended up being wrong, and then it just died a horrible death. So let's take a peek at the fuse. These have the little tiny little fuse kind of like on a holder here. Let me get a continuity tester here. All right. Fuse is good. Fuse is good. You know what that means? It's dead. It's dead inside. Now nothing, the fan doesn't come on, there's no lights, just no nothing. Maybe there's a fuse inside or something else. Or something else, who knows? Anyway, we'll get to open it up. I assume this is a metric. There we go. Box out. Some tools. Is that wrong way? There we go. Something on its board. Let's go over this side here. See if we can't get this opened up. All right. Yeah, can we slide everybody out this way? Oh yeah, look at that. Everybody can come out. There we go, now we're talking. Yes, sir, now we're talking. So, back panel, middle, and front panel. And the AC comes in here, and the DC comes out here. So, this, all right. Let's, just for grins, let's poke around. Kids, don't try this at home. There's AC, so at your own risk. All right, let me turn the power on here, and I'll measure down this way. 122 volts there. So power is getting to this module. Let's go DC, look on its output. 48 volts. And on this end, 24 volts. All right. So this is good. That's good. This is good. What about that? Let's unplug it. Be safe. Let's take a look at this thing here. It's the complicated bit. Oh, there's a fuse there. There's a fuse right there. Interesting. I need tiny little grabbers. That's what I need. That's, well, here, I can test the continuity in situ. Oh, that fuse is good. Well, that's not good. Okay. Mueller. Oh, there's another one. Another fuse. Oh, that one's dead. That fuse is dead. Let's pull him out. What is he? All right. Oop. Let's get that magnifying glass. Try again. There you go. You see it? What do you think that is? 10 amps? Yeah, kind of weird. Yeah, kind of weird. The other little fuse over on the other side there, it says 15 amps. Interesting. Well, I wonder if the store has those. Might have to take a trip to the store today. All right, see you guys later.